Hi parents! Welcome to Life with Little Ones channel. In our today's video, we are going to talk about how to potty train your little ones in just 3 days. Step number 1. See if your little one is ready. Watch your child carefully for signs of consciousness to pee and poop, as well as being ready to learn something new. Remember that learning how to use the potty is a whole new skill for your little one. So, you have to make sure that they are ready by watching out for these signs. They will be whining or making a big fuss to have their diapers changed because they don't like the feeling of wetness. And you should also watch out for signs of discomfort in their facial expression and postures. They are announcing when they have to go using simple words like pee-pee and poo-poo. Your child can stay dry for 1 hour while they are up and about, or at least 2 hours during their naps. This means they are showing the ability to hold it in for quite some time. Your little one can follow simple instructions such as going to the bathroom, sitting down, or taking off and putting on their clothes. Step number 2. Gradually introduce the toilet. You can start talking about potty training occasionally around your child's first birthday to gain interest. The idea is that to raise awareness about going potty and make your child comfortable with the overall concept before they are ready to potty train. Step number 3. Talk about the potty for big kids. Weeks before you start potty training your child, you can start talking about it. Try to grab their interest by talking about how it is, what the big kids do, and there will be one soon. You can even bring it up in random conversation like asking if your child thinks their favorite cartoon character goes potty. You should also leave some books on potty training around the house. Step number 4. Choose the right potty. There are different kinds of potties on the market, and you may be overwhelmed at choosing the right one. Here are a few things to consider when choosing the right potty for your child. Stand alone or potty sit. Fit and size. It is important to keep your child comfortable on their potty. Fun and entertaining. Let them choose one with sound effect, lights, or fun stickers. Step number 5. Make the potty accessible. There are times when you won't be watching your child and they will learn how to go to potty on their own. They can only do that if the potty is always accessible to them. Step number 6. Let your child get used to the potty. Once you have bought and placed the potty, it is time to let your child get comfortable and familiar with this new object. Another way to get your little one familiar with the potty is by creating a habit. You can start by going every 2 hours when they wake up, right before naps and bedtime, or before leaving the house. If you do this enough time, it will start turning into a habit. They do it on their own. Most toddlers exhibit signs of readiness around the age of 22 to 24 months. My dear parents, understand that potty training takes time and effort. You might prefer to get potty training over with as soon as possible. Maybe you are curious about the 3-day potty training trend. That's fine. My little one started a bit earlier. He started to use potty when he was 18 months old. He was completely potty trained in just 3 days, and thanks to this easy way. If you find this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with those who might benefit from it. And don't forget to hit the notification bell icon to get notified whenever Life with Little Ones posts a new video. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and see you in our next video. Thank you!